Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I will be diving into an in-depth comparison of Peacock Premium and Peacock Premium Plus to help you decide which plan suits you best. Stick around till the end to see our final verdict on which subscription offers the most value for you. So now let's discuss their cost differences because the biggest distinction between the two plans is their pricing. Peacock Premium costs only $1.99 per month, and then you would get Premium Plus for $13.99 per month, which is a really big difference. Same goes for the annual plan. The premium plan is only $20 or $19.99. For the annual plan, it's $139.99 per year. So there is a really huge difference in terms of pricing. So the question here is there also a big difference in terms of features that you are gonna get from each subscription? So now in terms of ad experience, this is one of the biggest factors in deciding because Peacock Premium includes ads, which may disrupt your viewing experience. On the other hand, Premium Plus offers an ad-free experience for most content, although a few exceptions apply due to streaming rights. So if you are looking for uninterrupted streaming, Premium Plus is definitely the better choice. And now in terms of features, both plans offers access to over 50 live channels, NBC and Bravo shows, films, and originals. However, Premium Plus includes additional features such as offline downloads for select titles and access to your local NBC channel live 24/7. This makes Premium Plus more feature-rich. And now for the similarities, both subscriptions share core features and often include promo code options to save significantly. No matter which plan you choose, you'll enjoy an extensive library of entertainment. So for the final verdict, if affordability is your top priority, then Peacock Premium is an excellent option with solid features at a low cost. But if you would prefer ad-free viewing and advanced features like offline downloads, Premium Plus is worth the extra cost. So yeah, that is basically it for our comparison here between the Peacock Premium versus the Peacock Premium Plus. I hope this video helped you out in deciding which one you should choose. Thank you for watching.